Hey everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to install and use the code blocks in Google Docs so you can format your programming code with syntax highlighting and a clean style. So first open your Google Docs, here open, then click on extension, click on select add-ons, then select get add-ons. Here in the search bar type code blocks, then select the first one, and here you can see code blocks alex for Scythe. So click on this, and here you can see this, so install it. So click on install and click on continue and choose a Gmail, then click on continue, then click on allow, then click on done. So your code blocks is installed successfully, and so now use it. So here select your code. So I select this and click on extension, and here you can see your code blocks. So here select the code blocks and select start. This is working, and here select the language for your code. I select C++. So here the above I select CPP C++, and select your desired theme. I select Xcode and click on preview, and you can see this, your code will look like this, and click on format. So you can see that your code is formatted successfully. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and see you next time.